Well, I don't know how to get the chat thing back. Enable preview. Okay. Yes. No, no, no. Yeah, we can. Yes. Delete this one. Yeah. Okay, it's deleted now. Uh, Scene collection. Check for missing file. Mm, okay, so I don't know how to do this. Docs. Reset docs. Yes. Nothing. Mm. Mm. Okay, so I got the chat thing here. And then, okay, so where is the other one? Again, I don't know how it's happening here, but okay. Fuck this. So let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back to the stream. So today we are building a chat application right here, right now, live, and it will be in parts, maybe or not. Maybe in okay. Uh, getting my audio back to me somehow. Really, it's really a pain. Okay, it's gone. Fine. Finally. Okay. So let's get started. First of all, I think my voice is not clear, or I think it's low. No, it's not gone. Where is it coming from?
Playing from 1 plus 18.
Yeah, okay, Alexa, you can shut up. Okay, I don't know where's it coming from, so yeah, let's just not focus on that. I'll try to learn the OBS once after this stream, or maybe not used to too much clutter. So we will be creating a live chat application or an chat application just like WhatsApp or Signal or Telegram. So we will be using Node.js and Express.js and Socket.io, and if we want to scale it, we will be using databases like Mongo or maybe SQL or MariaDB, Elasticsearch. So yeah, it's totally doesn't matter. We will just create some basic. First of all, at first we will create a basic application that will create allows our users to create rooms, and then simply just we will send like systematically, like adding a database or saving the chats and all of this. So yeah, so let's get started. So first of all, let's jump into our coding folder. Yeah, so let's create a chat application project, and then let's just cd chat application. Then let's create a node project. So npm init hyphen y. So guys, I'm just assuming that you know what is Node.js and how to create a server using Node.js and everything. And if you don't know, you can just ping me in comments. Yeah, I don't know that part, so I'll try my best to explain it to you. So yeah, so let's just create our package.json with some default configuration. So let's start. Okay, so yeah, so now we have our package.json file right here, and I'll uh, at first I'll just and also in Node.js we will be using TypeScript. So yeah, it's just better to use TypeScript. uh okay, so I'm getting wait a minute. Yeah, okay, so we'll be using TypeScript. So yeah, so let's get started. So first of all, let's just install TypeScript and then ts node, then as dev dependencies. Yeah, so let's first open the code editor, studio code in this folder. So yeah, we have TypeScript created here, right here, and then And let's just create a ts config also, config.json, and then let's edit it. So compiler options. Come on. Okay, then let's add target. ES, not ES3, current version is ES6. And then module. Uh, Maybe let's just use common.js for now. Then out directory would be test for the artifacts, maybe strict, true, and then es module rope, again true, then include, then src, and everything inside src, or maybe inside that src, with that is TypeScript, and exclude to node modules. Yeah, so that's our tsconfig.json file, and let's create a folder src, and for now let's just create a server.ts file, and let's start. So let's see if we have installed Express or not. So no, there is no Express right here. So let's just install Express. First of all, we will install Express, then we will install types for our Express. Install type Express. Yeah, this one right here. So let's go here and then save dev. Okay, it's installed here, and then dependency Express and types. Yeah, so we have also installed types. Thing on the chat. Okay, so we have watching of one. I don't think we will get any watching today. Okay, so then first let's just install import Express from Express. Then create an object name Express right here. So what's its type right now? It's okay, its type is Express. So yeah. Express. Then process.env.port, and then again, if it's not available, just use 3000. Okay, it can be undefined also, so let's just go ahead and edit. There it is. Address value never read. Okay, so let's not do this. Let's just make it any. Okay, then app.get, our first route right here. Request, then response. Okay, let me just put up a story on my Instagram. You guys can, okay, so you guys can follow me on Instagram also. Again, I forgot to mention my Insta in the description. You can ask me anything you want on Insta, or you can just, right ahead, go and DM me. So let's just, mm, okay, now let's go and res.send and a JSON right here. JSON maybe message like work in. Okay, now let's just app.listen on port, and then console the log. Server is up and running on uh, port 3000 or whatever it is. So we have to also import some those types and response. Okay, done. So let's fire it up. Let's just go in package.json or in yeah. So we have to also install node more. Okay, so we have successfully installed node mode. Let's go in package.json and let's just remove this one. Yeah, so let's just create a script, dev and then nodemon server.ts. Okay, so let's just start npm run dev. Okay, which module not found? Cannot find. This is index.js. No, cancel. Okay, what happened? Hmm. Okay, so I forgot we have to add src here. Okay, and let's just run it again. npm run dev. Yeah, so server is up and running. Let's check our url. Docker is on, yeah, working. So let's go ahead and install socket.io. So basically socket.io enables our Node.js application to have, real-time messaging or, two-way connection between client and server. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and install it. npm install socket.io. Let me see if there are any types socket.io. Yeah, so we do have socket.io types. So let's just go ahead and install them also. Where's the dev? All done. Okay, so let's modify our let's just modify our sorry, let's just modify our server.ts. So right now we were just using Express to run our server, so let's just create another thing, const server, then http dot create server using app. We have to also import, cannot find. Okay. Okay, so let's just import http from http. Okay, so yeah, so we have again watching of one. Today we will be streaming for only 1 hour because I have so much work to do. Yeah, some office work or maybe something like that. So yeah, so We have server right here, and then we have to create an IO, new server, then server. Now we have to create an io.on connection, then socket, callback parameter, then a callback function right here, then console.log user connected. Now let's just say socket dot on join room. We have to provide a room ID right here. Socket dot join room ID, socket dot on private message, room ID, then message, room ID, then message, and then again sorry, so private message. We will have an event for private message dot to then again room ID dot emit, then private message, and then message. I think maybe something is wrong here. Oh, that's a dot. Okay, so yeah. That's socket dot on private message, then again socket dot on disconnect, then on disconnect, then just simply user disconnected. Okay, so that's it for now. This one. Okay, so let's just okay, so let's just go and create our client, and yeah, I just create a come on, I just create a index.html for now. As I said, it will be a simple chat application, so we will modify it again, but for now we just want it to be working perfectly. Messaging, and then h1 chat application, something like that. I just yeah. Okay, then const. Okay, so let's just create an input, type text, then id, message input, placeholder, type a message. Okay, so on stream we have watching of 2 again. So guys, if you like found this stream helpful, please make sure to subscribe. That will just motivate me to like do more stream or create some awesome projects. So again, let's go ahead and create a button, and let's just bind it with the click function. Click on the click event, we want to fire this one, this function, and then id with id messages. Okay, let's just create a script now. Const socket is it the socket is equals to io, and then function, let's just create that send message function with no params, and let's just get the message document dot get element by id message input dot value, and we have a room id. Const room id is equals to room 1. Then we have to emit it, so socket dot dot emit private message, then message socket dot on private message get element li dot text content is equals to message, and document dot get element by id messages, then dot append child, then li. So that is our script. So let's just fire up our server again and see if things are working. So instead of using the app, we will be using a server. But listen, so let's see if it's working. Yeah, so it's running on again port 3000, and if I go right here, so yeah, it's working again here. All the routes are working, and right now on this home route page, I want to send a file rest.send file, not this one, this one, and then directory name, then slash index.html. So let's see if we are getting any files. So yeah, we did. Okay, so right now we have our server right here, and this so let's see if we are getting any messages or not. Inspect. Now let's go in network. So nothing happens here. I guess I missed something. Let me see the documentation. Did I put the URL? No, I forgot. So yeah, so let's just add our URL, localhost 3000. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's fire this up again. Okay, and then our terminal. Hmm. So nope, again nothing happens. Let's see the terminal or maybe network tab. Did we got any? Okay, so we did get this one, and if I send it in console, okay, cannot access socket before initialization. Uh, but we did initialize it, right? Okay, so let's just search against socket. Okay, so we have to do this. Okay, so let's just add this. Again, something happened. No, we did get the error again. Outside a module. Okay, so let's just make a module. So it's a module now. Send and got a send message is not defined. So send message is defined here. So why it's not working here? Okay, let's see the logs. Okay, so one user is connected. Okay, so we did got it connected. So if I reload, so it get disconnect, then got connect and gets to connect again.
Playing from OnePlus 8T.
Mm, so why we are not able to send anything from here to here? So the send message. Okay, so let's see in JavaScript bind events to buttons. Okay, so I know in jQuery how to do it, but I don't know in vanilla.js. So yeah, we have to select an element. So let's just select an element first. Const element, then document dot get element by id array document dot get element by id. That's what's its id. Let's give it an id and be done with send btn, send message btn. That's where was it? Yeah, so this here. Now instead of element, let's just call it send message btn. Now on send message btn dot add event listener. So what's it? Event. Let's just call it click. Click, then click handler. So on click, just send message. No, we don't need this. Okay, so let's go here and try this again. Yeah, okay, do this. Gonna send. Nothing happens. Let's go in console. Send message not defined. Let's cut this part out and add a. So it clicked about in consoles. Nothing. Did we log into log the message into a server or not? No. Private message. Private message. Private message. Hmm. We'll just again restart it. Then yep. So we are getting our messages. So if we go here and check our room ID, let's see what's our room ID. So guys, we have watching of 3. That's pretty much a high number considering no one watches my stream. So yeah. So send. So we have room 1 and we are having a message room 1. ASDF. Okay, message from room 1. Well, like good enough. So let's just create an index.to HTML with a separate room name, index.to HTML, and let's just give it a room ID of 2. And I'll just open it using live server. So we have to install the extension of live server. Yeah, it's here. So yeah, so we have installed the live server. It's installing. Sorry, okay, it's installed. Let's go to our index.to HTML and open with live server. So yeah, it's opened. And let's open our terminal again. And if I send something from here, so no user first, no user gets connected. Why? Let's search this error. What's this error? Rocket.io error. No allow origins error. So guys, again, I'm saying this again. If you have any doubts, you can just directly ask me in chats. I'll try my best to answer them and get your doubts cleared. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Uh, Let me give you my Insta. So that's my Insta. You guys can follow me on Insta also. And if you have any doubts regarding your existing project, you can ask me directly there on Insta. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, so okay, so all we have to do is just paste this piece of code. Let's just add this. It's on our server.ts and inside http new server, and then this one. Okay, only allow requests without origin header. Okay, so let's try it again. HTTP localhost 3000 socket.io. Again, nothing happens. Why? Okay, let's see if it has something here. Okay. I found a solution. For some reason the default transportation method is not always allowed by all servers. So I specified a neutral transportation method at the client side like this. So okay, let's just add this one. Mm-hmm. And if we reload again, WebSocket connection. Okay, so got anything? No. Socket.io. Okay, so let's just not focus it because this one is not needed. Fine. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it for today. So today we will, so let's just get a recap. Text editor. So no, nothing. Close without saving. Let's just create something. Not a folder. I move to trash. So first we created our server. Then second we created we we wrote code for socket connection. Then third we uh, you know uh, created client. Fourth, uh, connecting the client with the server for socket connection. Then you know emitting messages. uh Ralph Gomez, yeah, good morning buddy. Yeah, that's 12 a.m. in the morning. Are you new here? Mm, okay, so emitting messages. So yeah, so that's cool. Now for the next stream we will be emitting messages for specific room IDs, emitting messages for specific room IDs, and I can say it was pretty much exhausting, but yeah, like overall good. How about you? Okay, so emitting messages for specific room IDs, uh, making those messages reflect on client, and creating message rooms. Yeah, good to hear. Yeah, sure. Okay, Ralph. So where are you from, Ralph? Is if that's your real, like, am I pronouncing it right? Okay, so uh, create rooms for specific users. Yeah, so that will be our goals for the next stream. So stay tuned. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me directly in chats, or you can also DM me or Insta. Right now we are at any very low followers, but like if you support me, and we will try to leverage this community and try to provide some good content also. So guys, any doubts, anything you want to talk about, or I'm gonna shut this stream down. mm, so we have watching of four, and we have Kayam Ijaz. Hi, Kayam. Are you also new here? Okay, so I guess no responses. So I'm gonna shut this stream down for now. See you in the next ones with these goals. Uh, in the next stream, we will be fulfilling these goals for our chat application. So stay tuned.